guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm unboxing Lego Star Wars, the Dark Trooper Attack and the Snow Trooper Battle Pack. So this costed approximately $30 and this costed about $20. We got these from Target and this one's 166 pieces to 105 pieces. So I'm guessing this one will take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes and this one will take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see if I'm right. So the snow troopers are pretty cool. The scout trooper has a motorbike, which is really cool. It's like sort of a new one, I guess. This mini turret is also pretty nice. Overall, I like the stormtroopers armor, which makes this a good battle pack, and they have a variety of weapons too. Here are their spare parts if you build the set correctly. And over here to the next one, we have the same thing. So these Dark Troopers are really cool. They're from the new series of Mandalorian. Well, newish. So they're a pretty big aspect of the set. And then we have Luke Skywalker. It has a pretty cool gimmick where you can twist this and it can go around. Of course, Luke Skywalker's lightsaber is blocking it. So if I just put him like that, it goes fully around. So if you can fit someone in there, it can go fully around. And also this little lever here can make this go forward. So I think that's pretty cool. It gives it more interactability. And then, yeah, these are the two sets. Okay guys, so actually instead of the bets that I predicted, instead of the 10 minutes that I predicted, took me 32 minutes in all to build, which is a massive jump than what I predicted. So I guess I underestimated it, and I'm a slow builder apparently too. This one, which in my opinion I think is easier to build, my brother built this in half an hour, so it's also more than I predicted, but for this one it makes more sense. I don't know why this one took me so long, but it was done. Alright guys, this was a really fun build, and it was definitely worth the time and money. So this is it for our video, but wait, we have more videos incoming actually. Something that might possibly be even more fun. The Dart Zone Striker. This is a pretty cool gun. I'm also looking forward to unboxing and testing this one off. And that's not it. We also have a gun even bigger. We got the Nerf Elite 2.0 flip shot, flip 32. This is a pretty fun gun. Looks pretty big. Fun to unbox, fun to test. We're gonna review it as well. I'll see you there guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.